Hey guys, so I know it has been a hot minute since I have spoken to you guys. It has been a little while. We're in a new location. We finally moved. That's great. I know I made a video in January saying that we were going to be moving, but construction delays after construction delays, and we moved just last week. Just last week we moved in. And I apologize in advance for the echo that you probably hear because I am sitting in an empty room right now. This is a closet back here that I have converted into my setup. 2 screens, got my PlayStation over here, and got my other laptop right there. So this is probably the last time you're gonna see this particular setup until I get what's behind the camera all set up, because then this camera will be over here on this wall facing that way. So yeah, the setup is a work in progress right now. This is my gaming setup and also where I work from home. So, you know, what a time. What a time. It's, you know, again, this video is going to be very informal. This is just an update video giving you guys a bit of an update as to what's been going on with us and this whole, you know, virus situation. You know, what a time to be moved. What a time to move, you know, and you know, we were originally meant to move in January, and the construction delays, and finally pushed it, and now in the middle of all this craziness, we're, you know, having to move in the middle of this nonsense that's going on in the world. And again, I hope all of you guys are doing very well. I hope you're staying safe. I hope you're staying home. I hope you're washing your hands and staying 6 feet apart from people. I hope you're doing all of that. So just stay safe out there, you guys. Yeah, it's been absolutely crazy. So just a little bit of an update with us. Obviously we moved, still getting internet and stuff worked out in this house. You know, gonna be doing live streams hopefully soon from my PlayStation that is on right there. On a bit of a sadder note, unfortunately Coda lost both of her jobs because of the whole virus situation. I have been fortunate enough to maintain both of my jobs, just reduced hours at one of them, and then my other job I can work remotely from home, so that's good. So I'm only out and about at my other job pretty much 3 days a week now, and that's only for about 5 hours a day that I'm over there. So I'm not going out too much, and if we are going out, we are, you know, obviously maintaining our social distance with people, and we're only, you know, ordering things online from Publix and doing curbside pickup, things like that, and at Walmart. And, you know, thank God Lowe's and Home Depot do the same thing, where you don't have to really talk to anybody. You can order online and you can go and pick stuff up, and that's how we've been, you know, doing things around the house. This is a new construction house, and, you know, this is the first time that Coda and I are like physically living together. You know, she's spent the night with me at my studio before, but now this is our house together. And I'm sure once we've moved in completely and we have everything set up the way we want it, we'll do a bit of a house tour for you guys. That way you can see what we're dealing with. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath house that we're living in right now, and I'm super excited. I am super excited to be here, and I'm super excited to finish this room that I'm looking at right now. What's behind the camera is what I'm most excited for, and I can't wait for you guys to see that as well. I'm gonna be doing a couple more videos very soon regarding different news and information that's been coming out as far as Disney, Universal. We have Halloween Horror Nights to talk about. I'm super excited about that. In the middle of our move-in, they came out with a speculation map, and we gotta talk. We need to talk about that phone. It's in my pocket. Yeah, we need to talk about that. So yeah, this is just a quick little update video. I am alive. I'm doing well. I haven't gotten sick. Knock on wood. Haven't gotten sick. Don't plan on getting sick. Whenever I do go to my other job, which is considered essential, I go out and I am in front of people, and I, you know, get near people, near-ish people. We have little barricades so that we can keep our social distance, but we have our masks that we use, and I do wipe down everything, sanitize, wipe my hands. My hands are really freaking dry because of how much hand sanitizer I use, but I do my best to put lotion on them as much as possible. But things have just been absolutely crazy around here, absolutely crazy. So yeah, this is just a real quick update video to keep you guys in the loop. Hopefully the sound quality will improve once I get everything set up in this room. I actually ordered some soundproofing panels for this wall over here. I'm literally in a closet. What you see over here, what is it? This is a door. This is a closet door that my setup is in right now. So this is where you're gonna be seeing videos from now on. I'm gonna be sitting in my chair. I'm not gonna be standing up against a wall. It'll be a lot more interesting and it'll be a lot more fun. So thank you guys so much for keeping tuned to the channel. Surprisingly enough, you know, I haven't put out a video in like 2 weeks, and I haven't been putting out anything super content related, I guess you can say, and we've still been managing to gain subscribers. So thank you guys so much to all you new guys out there. I hope you guys stick around for a while. I hope to entertain you as best as I can while the parks are closed. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe out there. Yeah, it's a crazy time we live in, crazy time, and I'm staying positive. I hope you guys are staying positive. We will get through this together. Please, please, please take care of yourselves and take care of each other. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening. I'll see you guys in the next video.